Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of running out of storage space on your devices? I just got my hands on the basics 1TB microSDXC card and it's been a game changer. With this tiny card, you can store a massive amount of data, from full HD to 4K and even 5K videos, and high-resolution photos. The read speed is incredibly fast, up to 200 megabytes per second, and the write speed is up to 150 megabytes per second, making it perfect for recording and storing your favorite moments. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. One of the things that impresses me the most is its durability. It's shockproof, waterproof, and can even withstand extreme temperatures, so you can take it with you on all your adventures without worrying about it getting damaged. The card also comes with a microSD adapter, which is really convenient for transferring data between devices. I've been using it to record videos with my action camera, and the quality is stunning, the footage is smooth and the sound is crystal clear. I've also been using it to store my favorite games on my gaming console, and the load times are super fast. The card is compatible with a wide range of devices, from smartphones and tablets to laptops and drones, making it a great investment for anyone who needs extra storage. What I love about this card is that it's not just about storing data, it's about being able to capture and preserve your memories in the best possible quality. Whether you're a photographer, a gamer, or just someone who loves to record videos, this card is a must-have. So if you're looking for a reliable and high-quality microSD card, I would definitely recommend giving this one a try. You won't be disappointed. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.